6 by 9 inch. Howa 1500 30-06, Boyd's laminate stock, pillar bedded, BSA tactical weapon scope, Hornady 165 grain spire point boat tail, 350 yards. A little bit on the low side, and the wind got the best of me, but it's still ahead.